Do you know who your customers are? More importantly, do you know what they want or need from you? After all, if you don't know who all are your target customers, how you will be able to sell your products and services? Hey everyone, this is Hiren Joshi, and in today's video, we will be learning how to create customer persona or buyer persona step by step. If you have never created buyer persona before, you may be wondering what is buyer persona and how it is important to your business. Well, buyer personas help you to understand your customers better. It makes it easier for you to tailor your content, product development, marketing message, and services to the specific needs, behavior, and concern of a specific group of people. The purpose of creating buyer persona is so that you know whom exactly to attract to your business and eventually make them stay with your brand. So here's the template which will help you to make your buyer persona. Wait, did I just say that I will be sharing this template for free? Absolutely yes, but for that you have to watch this video till the end. Basically, this template is full of questions, and by answering those questions you can easily create your buyer persona. And this template is divided into 4 parts. Let us start from the demographics. Well, you should know that your target customers are male or female, their age, where do they stay as in their target location, are they married, do they have a family, and most importantly, their household annual income. Let us understand more about your buyer. What is the job profile they have? What do they do before, during, and after the work? How much time they spend in a car, at office, at home, the books they read, the television shows they like. By knowing and asking these kind of questions, you can put a personality to a person. Knowing the things they like and the things they don't. This data will help you to understand what influence their buying decision. The next question is an important one. The challenges, problems, and pain points. What problems do they face in their daily life? And where your products and services can help them. So this brings us to the important question. What solutions you are offering to help them solve their problems? Let us say, for an example, your target customer is a CEO or a sales manager of startup and SME. Here, their biggest task and challenge is how to grow and sustain their business. Or I can say, how to generate more leads for their business. Especially those who have an online business like an e-commerce website or a subscription-based product. By understanding what their pain points are, you will be able to target your messages to those specific individuals and let them know that you are there to solve their problems. Now that we know the pain points of our target customer, it's time to talk about some of the goals they have. What do they value most in their life? We can take the same example of a CEO or a sales manager of a startup. They really value success. They value their family. They value bettering their life and the employees who are working in their organization. So here, you can specify your message more of what they care about and not what they don't. When you combine the buyer profile with the buying insights, you will have the clear guidance for the decision you need to make to win their business. So draft your message accordingly, which will help them to achieve their goals. When you do so, your customers understand you are the perfect match. Unlike other agencies, you understand what are their goals, and more importantly, you will help them to reach there. Now since we know what are their pain points, their goals, and what do they value most, the next question which you should ask is, where do they go to find information? Are they asking their family members, their friends for the advice? Are they on internet searching on Google or different social media websites which they like most? Basically, here you need to understand where they are going to find out information about their pain points. Once you know where exactly your target customer goes for an information, that's gonna help you to highlight your business to those specific platforms. For example, CEO and a sales manager, they like to spend more of their time on the websites like Entrepreneur, Forbes, etc. And LinkedIn is a go-to social media site for them. Let's summarize this a bit and understand what all things we know till this point. So we know where our target customer stays and their demographics. We know what are their pain points, their goals, what do they value most in their life, and the sites and platforms they visit to find an information. Let's go one step ahead and understand what kind of experience your target customer expects. Do they like everything on email or just a quick call? By knowing this, you have to define your sign-up process. For example, we have two-level sign-up process, where at the first, we share questionnaires sort of prerequisites to understand their business and their goals. And after that, we have a detailed call about it to set the expectations right. You can create FAQs and that will help your target customers to understand how the process looks like. It can be an infographics or an explainer video which talks more about how the sign-up process works. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, sums up about the questions you should ask yourself to define your buyer persona. If you stay true to your audiences, customizing the content for the different personas, you will see higher relevance score, higher engagement, more visibility, and more conversion, and all of this at low cost. With so much data available at your fingertips, there is no need to take a stab in the dark. Roll up your sleeves, it's time to start digging. And don't forget to download this template. The link somewhere will be there in the description. This template is full of those questions which will help you to define your buyer persona. That's all we have today. Thank you everyone. Until we meet next time. Peace.